Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to do a practical for a table stage. So in previous video we have understand about the user stage. So whenever you will create a user, so by default one stage will be created and that actually we call it as a user stage, and how we will represent at the rate, and this particular symbol is for the user stage. Now coming to the table stage. So whenever you will create any table, by default one stage will be automatically created for you, and that actually we call it as a table stage. And how we will represent the table stage? At the rate percent and the table name. Suppose this is my table, right? So at the rate percent and table, this is how you will represent. Suppose you are creating a employee table, so then how you will represent? At the rate percent and the employee. This is how you will represent. So whenever you will create any table, by default one stage will be created, and that actually we call it as a table stage. And how we will represent? At the rate percent and the table name. So as of now what we are going to do, we are going to create a table stage. We are going to load a data from our local machine to the table stage, and from that particular table stage we will try to load the data into a Snowflake table. So this is the practical we are going to do. So first thing is, like, first we have to create a table. Then only one stage will be created, right? So that is the first thing we have to do. So let me open my SnowSQL. First we have to connect to the Snowflake account, right? How to connect to the Snowflake account? This is the command. This we have discussed in previous video also. So let me execute this. So what is the command we have to write? SnowSQL -a account name -u username -w warehouse name -d, and the DB name you have to pass. After that, password you have to pass. Let me give the password, and after that enter your, you can see it's connected. We have connected to the Snowflake account. Now what is the first thing we are going to do? First we will create a table. Once you will create a table, then only one stage will be created, right? So what I am going to do, I am going to create one table. Create table in the test schema. Create table test dot employee new test. This is the table I am going to create. Let me execute. You can see it is saying like cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have a current database. If you want to use the current database, so in a Snowflake, if I'll open my Snowflake account in a catalog, right? If I'll click on the catalog, you will see multiple database and the schema is there. You can see practical, Snowflake and all. So first you have to go into this particular DB, then only you will be able to create a table, right? So I want to use this practical DB, I want to use this particular schema, and then only I want to create a table. So let me use a use command, use database, and which particular database? Practical, right? So I will use this, enter. You can see now I am in a practical database. After that I will use a create statement, create table command. Create table, I am passing a test schema, also passing test dot employee new test, and if I'll enter, now you can see employee new test successfully created. Now let me go to the Snowflake account. Let's see employee new test is created or not. Let's see employee new stage. We can see we have to refresh also. Refresh this. Employee new test should be created. You can see employee new test is created. This is the one we have created. Now let's see our stage also got created or not. To see the stage, right? What is the command you have to write? To see the stage, you have to use the list command. If you use a list and the at the rate percent, this one, this will list the stage. This will list your stage. This we have to pass. I will come here. So I will use a list and the this one, enter. You can see it is saying like as of now you are in a practical DB, but you are not in any of the schema. So first we have to go into the schema. So if you come here, so we have used the practical DB. So we have used a use command for the DB, right? But we haven't used a command for the schema test. So we have to go into the schema also. So I will use schema test. enter. Now I am in the test schema. So you can see now we are in a practical DB test schema. Now we will list it. List at the rate percent employee new test. Let me enter. You can see one stage got created, and as of now no file is available into this particular stage. So whenever you will create, one stage will be created automatically. So this is the table stage. Now let's do one practical. So I have a file that is available into my local. So this is my local. Here my file is available. Now what I want to do, I want to load a data from a local to a table stage. How to do? If you want to load a data from your local, you have to use a put command. Put, and the file path where your file is available, that you have to pass. This one. This is the location where my file is available. Make sure you change it properly, otherwise this will not work. So this is how the location you have to pass, and pass the file name. So what is my file name? Employee table.csv. Employee table.csv. So we are using a put where your file location, and we want to copy into the our table stage. What is our table stage? So this is our table stage, right? At the rate percent this symbol. It's very simple, right? Put your local file location, your local path location, and where you want to copy. I want to copy into the table stage. Copy this, come to your NoSQL, let's execute, enter. You can see in our table stage this file got loaded. Now if you want to see whether it got loaded or not, what is the command you have to write? List at the rate percent employee new test. If you'll do this list, you can see this file is now available into our table stage. Now our file is loaded into a table stage. Now after that, what actually we are going to do? We are going to load a data from a table stage to our Snowflake table, to a Snowflake table. Now our file is available into a table stage, but this whatever the data is available into the file, right, that we want to load into the Snowflake table. So how actually we can load that? For that we will use a copy into command. Copy into which particular table you want to copy your data? We want to copy into this table. I want to copy into this table from stage. From what is the stage name? This is the stage, right? So what I am writing, I want to copy a data into this particular table from the table stage, and file format also we have to pass. File format equal to type equal to the CSV, and the skip header equal to header equal to 1. This will pass, and after that let's try to Control C. Let's try to execute this. Now what will happen? This will load the data into our table. Enter. You can see data got loaded. Now if you want to check this, come to your Snowflake. In your we are in a employee new test, right? Data preview. Click on the refresh. Now you can see data got loaded. So this is how we can do. So what is the practical we have done? First, in our local the file was available. We have loaded into the employee stage. We have loaded into a table stage. From the local we have loaded into the table stage. Now after that we have to load this into a table, right? So for loading into a table we use a copy into command. Copy into this particular table from your table stage, and the file format we have to pass. This is how actually we can do. I hope you got the idea. Please do practice, it's very simple.